I mean, you talking about that? What was it? That 3060 or 3080? I ain't getting that car. That car like $2,000. That car is too expensive for me. Yeah, nah, I'm not. I'm not getting that car. I'm gonna have to wait till that car come down. I mean, I think the leak price was what, 14.99 or something like that. Like, nope. See me. I don't have to run everything on ultra. Um, I'm just not that type of person. As long as I can at least run on medium, then I'm good to go. I know I'm not gonna be able to run Cyberpunk on ultra because I got a what I got. I got a 5600 XT, which I don't recommend buying an AMD card because I got a good deal on it, but I have black screen sometimes, so the driver issues are real. Oh shoot, getting the well, definitely let me know how that card is, cause it's a beast of a card. I just can't fork over that amount of money. Oh oh oh, what's those red things? Yeah, the black screens are real. The I mean, I've been able to handle it pretty well, probably because I just know what to do when it happens. But I think like twice it went black screen during the stream, and then that's when I get upset about it because I will have to I got to restart the entire stream over, and I don't like when that happen. Like if we go black screen while I'm just on the computer, I usually get the card to come back up without restarting the computer. But during the stream, I gotta kill the stream to fix it, so that usually gets me upset. Ooh, I'm shooting my own teammates. I'm out of ammo. Yeah, I need restocking too. We got round. Ooh, is this ammo? Thank you. How much money I got? 18. Let's get my P90. Got the P90 autofill. All right, we good to go. Got the P90. Yeah, but you definitely gotta let me know how that. Let me go sell this. You gotta let me know how that 3080 is. Cause my next card will be like a Nvidia card, but it won't be the 3080. I can tell you that. Maybe get a 2080 or something. I'll probably do that. Price determine everything. So if the 3060 is a good price, then I get it. Like I probably don't want to spend over. I'm cheap. I'm cheap. So I probably don't want to spend over maybe $500. Yeah, I am cheap. Like the only reason I got my the 5600 XT, so I was looking at the 5700 XT, and at the time the 5700 was like 400 or something dollars, and then the 5600 XT overclocked went on sale for like 209. I grabbed that so fast. Not, you know, it's a great card too. There's nothing wrong with the card. It's freaking AMD's drivers. I had no problem with the card itself. I actually like the card. Because I can run stuff in 4K on the not 4K. I can run stuff in 2K, 1440p with the 5600 at 60 frames per second. So it's a good card. Stupid drivers. No, no, yeah, they said they fixed it. So right now I got the 20.5 drivers, which made the black screen worse. So so they put out they quickly put out another driver, a 20.7, and but I heard it breaks FreeSync, so I didn't even update. I'm just like, I'd rather deal with the black screen that happens every once in a while than for it to just break my FreeSync. I need FreeSync. I love FreeSync. Screen tearing is terrible. So I'll wait for the next driver sets, and hopefully they get it together. What area? Okay. Gotta go protect the area. I'm going the wrong way. Stay sharp. We're not done here. Well, I don't care how top end AMD's card is. If the drivers are trash, it's not gonna mean much.